Hi friends, now today I'm going to show Rubik's cubes disassembly and assembly. First of all, if you want disassembly, so then first you have turn, you can see, then little bit pressure and middle is, you can see is pop up. Okay, then just simply open. Others very simple. Now you divide the edges on the corner pieces. Corner piece should 8 or edges pieces should be 12. Then now you have to assemble. First I want assemble white side. Then first white edges, find the white edges. Okay, then color this one little bit very simple, you can see. Then another white edges, I think this is also another white edge. Okay, then you see color already same. Okay, next another white edges. This one is color, this one. Okay, just simply add it. Just I want to make a plus or cross, whatever you want to say. Another white piece is green, you see the green side. Just simply little bit angle on the middle piece and then push the. Now see it mass all is edges and middle cross. Then flip. Then just you have to find corner. Then just find it what need. Okay, this one white back side. Then yes, you see the both mass, both side are mass and back side is white. Then just simply slowly push and find another pieces, red and okay, then you can see the white side back side and other side is red. Then simply drop, then find another edges. Okay, blue and white red, just put down this side. Okay, then another side. Okay, orange and blue, backside white, just simply drop. Okay, now you Sorry. Now you see the back side and all side are match. Then another side is, now you have see red and blue. This is red and blue. Now not match actually. Yes. Okay. Red and blue. Then another piece is orange and, yes, this one, orange and blue. Just you can see. Next, blue and red, this one. Okay, you can see already matching. Another side is orange and green. You can see it is my hand. Okay, now you see two side and one back side already match. Okay, then fit the middle edge. Okay, then another green and yellow on the top. Okay, then edges corner. Don't match. This one is match. You can see match the color and put the middle one. I also put a little, yes. Okay, then you have to put middle one, so you have to turn slightly, then a little bit push, then you can see the cube is successfully set. Then you have to another piece joint, just middle corner side first, then okay, then middle one. Same things, just cube turn and push slowly. You can see the cube assembly is successfully built up. Thank you for watching. See you another video. Thank you.